Guys, welcome back to the channel. The 8th of July. We're taking a look here. XRP, Ripple XRP / the United States dollar daily chart. Bitstamp is where this data is derived from. We have XRP holding tight here. We are currently below the 50 and the 200 day. Actually, excuse me, we're above the 50. We're below the 200. We got some market support right around that 212 area. XRP is holding up very, very well compared to a lot of other cryptos on the market. We are quite bullish. We're waiting, hopefully, we'll see what happens, waiting for Bitcoin to break out to the upside. At least that's the way it looks. We have a long position working in the markets, in the Bitcoin micro futures markets, and we're hopefully going to see a breakout in BTC USD, taking us up a pretty large amount. At least that's what the price tells us, the projections to the upside. How does that relate to XRP? XRP should follow suit at some point. If Bitcoin breaks out, we have some upper targets we're going to talk about here. We are on the cusp here of breaking above the 200 day, taking us up towards that. Let's see, it's like that right around the $3 mark. For starters, guys, we have a price target we're looking for. I think we should at least hit the, let's say, assuming we break out, the $4 to $5 range. We have some in here, 340, 327. I think that's all very, very doable. I do have higher targets. Whether we get up to the 617, obviously, time will tell. If we do anything similar to what we've done in the past, we could see XRP in the double digits. Again, we'll see. If we do a, let's see what this rocked to initially, 400, 500+% move on that last breakout. So time will tell. But realistically, $4 to $5, I think is very doable. Assuming Bitcoin breaks out, XRP breaks out and holds. We'll have a little bit of resistance, probably around the high $3s to $4 range as a target number one, and target number two right around that $4.75. XRP essentially has been going sideways all of 2025 for about 7 months now. We've been essentially whipsawing up between 340 all the way down to 164 and all in between that, and we're holding tight here. Not all cryptocurrencies held up as well as XRP did after their breakouts. A lot of them sold off pretty heavy. So this thing is showing relative strength compared to a lot of other projects out there. And that's what we're looking for. We're bullish. We have orders in the market. We're long XRP. And we'll see what happens here. $3 to $4, $5 maybe, possible. We have targets way above the market, 6, 11. I don't know if I have anything higher than that. One of the past breakouts tells us that we could see XRP move all the way up to the $30 range. I don't know if that's going to happen, guys. I have no clue. What I do know is the price tells us that a $3 to $5 XRP is very possible under a solid break to the upside. And that's what we're waiting for. Let's see if it happens. Will it happen? Let me know down in the comments. Guys, new membership tier. You can join that if you're interested in trading signals. Right now we have Grayscale Bitcoin Trust in there, GBTC. We will be adding shortly Tesla, SPXL, SPY, GLD, and hopefully many more other projects in there. If we get some interest, we'll continue to add and track and share trading signals within that tier on the channel here, and we'll cover them via video for the members only. I'll leave a link to that down in the video description, or I will link to it right now in this video. Guys, not financial advice. Thanks for watching. Will these markets break to the upside? Take care.